I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be installing this wig sent to me from Nadula hair company, and this is the Auburn color wig they sent me in a 13x4 frontal. I'm definitely loving the color and the hair. The hair is super easy to work with. I really didn't have no problems. I only had minor shedding and a little bit of frizziness, but that's nothing, you know, a little frizz spray can't fix. So the color is super nice. Like, I think it's super close to 99J, but I feel like this color looks more reddish, basically. But yeah, I definitely love the color of this unit. It's super, super cute. And the hair is definitely super affordable. So if you're looking for, you know, something similar to ginger, I think this will be the best go-to. Yeah, this is 24 inch. It stops about right here. So this is their body wave as well. And it did come already curled when I pulled it out the pack. The hair is super, super pretty. But yeah, guys, so this is just the 13x4 24 inch frontal wig. Yeah, if you guys are looking to purchase, I will definitely put the stuff in the description box for you guys. And yeah, let's get into the install.